Another nice looking 1970 Chevelle, just in. Got some of the SS badging, SS wheels on it. So I'd consider this an SS Tribute. It is powered by a 396 underneath the hood. It's actually a 1969 396 325 horse. That's teamed with a Turbo 350 automatic transmission. Incredible sounding car. This car sounds great, deep, throaty rumble to it. Very healthy engine. As you can see, paint is nice. Nice luster to it. The white stripes are painted on there. It's not vinyl. In case you're curious about that, it is a power steering, power brake car. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, you can see the interior, engine bay, like to see any of the still pictures, feel free to check those out at uniqueclassiccars.com. I'll open the door and get to the other side that we don't have the glare from the sun coming in the front window. Pretty straight car, as you can see too. If you'd like to inquire about this car, have any questions maybe about transportation, getting it to where you're located at, we can be called at 507-386-1726. Been quite a few things refurbished or just went into this Chevelle lately too. Give you an idea, it does have a new headliner, carpet and door cards in it. Stereo and speakers were added. Does have a little aftermarket gauge pod that was put in, Summit gauge pod for temperature, water temperature, and oil pressure. Does have new tubular front control arms, also all new steering linkage. 3-inch dual exhaust to the back. That's why the thing sounds so healthy, like you'll hear in just a bit here. Yeah, there's been quite a few things that have been redone on this. You can actually check a list of those things out at that website that I said earlier, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you look through the pictures, you'll see a list of what has been updated or what's been done to this. Like a wiper motor was added on there. But yeah, check out the still pictures. Check out that list of things that have been done. We're going to go ahead and fire this thing up so you can hear it run. Also check out the interior. Nice bucket seats up front. Horseshoe shifter. There's the new door cards I was talking about. This car does show well. Fun to drive to any of your local cruise-ins or take to any local shows that you may attend. Let's go ahead and fire this up. This is got one of the later model stereos that resembles the older ones. There's the stereo and the gauges underneath the dash. As you can see, it starts easily. It's a very nice rumble to it.